Cream cakes, custard slices. That's what people really know us for, is the cream cakes. There's very few places like this in Britain now, because everything is either a Costa or I don't know, a Pizza Express. They're all the same.
We lost our shop, our former shop, in the 2020 floods. We were devastated, we lost everything. The public actually sent me messages on Facebook asking if they can come and help decorate the new store and tidy out the old one. So I knew that Pontypridd is the home of this business. When I speak to people out and about in town and I say that we're just taking over the River Island store, they wanted to know that British made was going to be something we were focusing on, which is something we wanted to focus on before, and now because the public have asked for British made furniture, that's what we're going for. The RCT Council have been monumental in getting us back on our feet due to the COVID and everything, so they've really helped us out with, no business rates payable and things like that. It helps out independent businesses just like this one.
On a Saturday, this place is particularly busy with people that are walking and exercising and going to the park. So in that way, we've been quite fortunate in having more trade than we expected. The community spirit has been amazing. People have been cheerful through all of this, and I don't think people can wait far too much longer to get together and to socialise.
Whether it's a handbag, a scarf, a coffee machine, a cup, a saucer, you feel it, you look at it and you think, oh, I like that colour, I like that shape, the weight, and you cannot get that on the internet. So we're finding it's a new experience for people. It's not a normal shop and it's not a normal experience. You come in here and you can spend quite happily half an hour in here just talking about all things tea or coffee. The people, that's what makes Pontypridd, the people, and they have a sense of community, and that's why we work here and live here. It's a nice place to be.